Ahoy, shipmates! It's another land-based activity. You find me hurtling along on the Iron Horse along the A303 towards Yeovil. Those busy aliens have been at it again, making another crop circle. This one's very symmetrical. In fact, it rather reminds me of a metal throwing star that I definitely wasn't supposed to be making at school, and my metal work teacher definitely said you're not allowed to make them in class. An added feature to this one is the swirlies in the prongy bits that stick out. And also in the very middle, we'll have a look in there in a second, you can see it's sort of hatched or pleated or checkered or something. Obviously they had enough time when they landed to have a little fondle with the wheat. You can see now it's sort of hatched or pleated or plaited. I'm not entirely sure the correct term for it. Obviously shows a level of skill and ingenuity. But then of course they are flying across the universe. They'll be reasonably smart cookies. Well, hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. Until next time.